Alright, what is going on? My name is Kevin, or MKIV Supra as it is on Instagram. This is my 1994 right-hand drive Toyota Supra. What I'm going to be doing today is trying to make a mold of the fender out of fiberglass and see how it comes out. Some backstory on that is because when I bought it, there was a little bit of previous damage over here, and rather than getting a brand new fender, as you can see there's all rust and stuff, but rather than getting a brand new fender, I'm going to see if I can make this one work. And if I can't make it work out of fiberglass, then I'm just going to sand this down and do the necessary body work. As you see, there's a little bit of a dent right there. You can kind of see it in the light. But all right, let's get into it.
Everything that brought me alive.
So I can assure you, this is something you never want to see. A freaking mouse nest in the frame of this car. I would love to see if there's something else in there. Let's see if we can get a light in there. Oh god. Oh, there's an acorn. I found an acorn. Alright, let's clean that out. So my plan for right now is we're gonna clean up all the paint that's on here. I gotta remove the side marker. I gotta take this little dent that's in here. Gotta take that out. Surprisingly, I didn't think it actually was a factory fender, but it is indeed a factory fender. As you can see, the Toyota label right down here. And then what we are gonna do is, I just gotta paint the bench a little bit. But that's when we are gonna then apply the fiberglass. Alright, so I'm gonna start mixing this now and then let this tack off on the fender before I start laying the fiberglass.
So it's a 2% mixing ratio. I'm just gonna kind of eyeball it here. I'm gonna take a guess at that. If I need somebody to be a little bit too much for this. Yeah, I'm just gonna, we'll stick it back now. 2% mixing ratio.
Alright, we're going to take this now and start applying a thin coat. Now that we got that done, let's get some of this out. All right. Now we're gonna start rolling this out. All right, so this is how it's looking so far. I'm gonna give it overnight to fully cure because I went heavier in some spots, because all this now is gonna get DA'd down to pretty much a flush finish, because I don't want to change the shape too much from how it's gonna fit now and line up with the hood and line up with the door and the side skirt that's over there. So I'm gonna let this dry and then come back to this, give this a full sand down. Then what I'm gonna do is try and take this off, flip it, and then work on the inside fiberglass, put extra fiberglass within all the the jambs, and just try and make it as strong as possible. I went extra on pieces like this, pieces over here, all the areas that it's gonna be, the secure points. And then I'm gonna have to flip this again so I can get all of in here, but I'm gonna wait for everything to dry so I can cut this down and then start working on that. But this is how it looks so far. All right, if you guys like this, thank you so much for watching. This is gonna be my first, this is how I'm starting off the channel, because I love working on little things like this. I do a bunch of little things, but this, if you want to see any of how all of this was done, I have it on my Instagram, which I will link in the description. I probably should have done it on a YouTube video just because I don't see too many people doing any of this, but all right, thanks so much for watching.